Alright, what I've got here is an Astrostart HST-5225 that has stopped working. I took it apart, and I'll show you what the issue is. It just keeps displaying the menu button, so as I pulled off the original battery, so that just involved jimmying it off very, very slowly and carefully, because as you can see there's some stuff under here on the board that you don't want to damage. I was able to get that off with screwdriver, my fingers, and using a knife. And what I did is I then ended up replacing the battery with this aftermarket. So let's see if we can get that little sucker to line up on there just right. Slide that guy in there. Power her up. So you can see initially it does not show anything. Try using some of the buttons. Nope, not getting anything. So then, I'll show you what happens when I go take it over to the power center. So now, I'm going to hook it up to some power. Got my USB charger, that guy on there. Starts up, all looks good. It says charge, alright, exciting. One beep, and then it shows the menu. And I have yet to be able to figure out how to get it out of the menu mode. I tried holding down the different buttons. If anyone's got any suggestions on how to kind of reset it after this, please let me know in the comments. I'm definitely trying to figure this out. Thanks.